What's going on, guys? Tim from Tim's Garage. Back to you guys today here inside of the 2022 Tesla Model Y, and I'm going to be upgrading the little pedal pads here that come on the car stock. They're rubber. That's great, a little slippery, but I decided to go with this kind that's just a little more stylish. That'll kind of match the aesthetic a little bit more. Nothing really performance related, but something that I thought would be cool just to kind of make these a little more stylish and a little more neat looking with the aesthetic of the car. So I got this pedal set here off of Amazon. You can check the link in the description below. I think it was only about like 20 bucks or so for this set. And basically what I got to do is pop these rubber casings off. As you can see, you can just kind of pull this and then this will pop off and then put the new ones on. So it should be a really simple install. So let's see if I can get these pulled off, and then we'll pop these new ones on and see what it looks like. All right, should be relatively simple. Just it's always more simple than you think it's going to be, or more difficult than you think it's going to be. There's one. Got that one off, and then that's what the actual pedal looks like, just metal. And then we're going to put this guy on in its place. All right, pedal one in. Looks pretty nice. I do like it better than just the solid rubber one. Just looks a little cleaner, a little more sporty. So now we'll move on to the actual gas, or I guess we'll just call it the accelerator. Oh, and on the accelerator, actually, there is no pedal cover on this. So really, this new pedal cover will just slide over the plastic that is here today. So I'm going to get that slipped on right now. Okay, and there you have it. Super simple install. Literally just pop off the old one off of the brake, pop the new one on, and then slide the new one on the accelerator right here. Done. I think it looks pretty cool. Looks a little sportier, looks a little nicer than it did stock. And then actually now this actually has rubber grip on the accelerator, which didn't have that before. This was just plastic before. So looks pretty good. We'll call this one done.